Click the Line Chart tab. On the Format tab, click the Chart Elements drop-down arrow and choose Legend. If the Format Legend pane does not appear, click the Shape Styles dialog box launcher. Click the Legend Options button. In the Legend Position section, click Right to move the legend to the right side of the chart. Click the Coffee and Espresso label in the legend. Click the Text Options button to display the menus for the text. In the Fill Color drop-down, choose red so the text in the legend matches the line color. Click the 2010 Pi Chart tab. Click the Coffee and Espresso label twice. If necessary, click the Text Options button underneath. Text Fill, click the Color button and choose red to change the text color. Close the Format Data Label pane and save the workbook.